So welcome to the shop, another beautiful day in the north woods of Wisconsin. Here we're ready to show you a quick little install of something you might need to do on your sleds. Now, very easy to do, only takes a few minutes, and I notice it seems to mostly affect these older Polaris sleds, like 99, these are both 99 Trail Tourings, Indy Trail Tourings, and it seems like it affects them. The Ski-Doo have not had an issue with it yet. But if you notice, these spark plug caps, for whatever reason, become really loose. Especially this one over here, like it doesn't even clip on it. Just if you hit a bump, it can just pop right off like that, see? So what we're gonna do is replace these little ends called the boots. And hopefully the new ones will have a better little clamp up inside there and grip onto the spark plug better. Alright, so like I said, this is a real quick little install. First step is to get your spark plug boots, something like this. These are just simple NGK ones found on eBay, maybe $8 a pop. You want to make sure you have the right part number so that'll fit your sled. You should just be able to look at the old ones and get the number off of that. In this case, this is the correct part number for a 1999 Polaris Indy Trail Touring. So, just open up your box, and there should be 3 parts inside. First one is this little wire boot. The next one is the actual spark plug cap, which is this black plastic one, should look familiar. And finally, the spark plug rubber boot. And your first step is going to be take the rubber boot, put it right on this wire cap. Should go right over the top and push it down until the bottoms are flush together. And there you go. Alright, now for this next part, real simple, you'll start by just taking off one spark plug cap and try and slide this wire boot, this part right here, just slide that back onto the wire a little ways. And that should expose the old spark plug boot here. And then real simple, you just grab the wire right here, grab it like an inch behind the cap, and simply thread off this black cap here. And just like that, it'll come off. You have your wire. Now, you shouldn't need to strip back any more of this wire, but if you reassemble and it doesn't end up working, you might need to do that. Whoops. First, you want to take off this old boot here. Take off the old boot and replace it with a brand new one. This part can be a little tricky, just get that rubber around there and shimmy it back onto the wire. That should be enough right there. We'll take our new cap and just start threading it on to the wire here. And you'll know it's all the way on when it'll kind of resist turning anymore. That should do it. And we'll take our wire boot, we'll slide it back up to the cap and slowly work it over the edge of the cap until it covers up all 3 of the little lines that are right here. We can take this cap, completed product, and slide it back on top of our new spark plug that we've put in. Clips on nice and easy. And then we're going to repeat that for this other side as well. And now, since this side is done, those nice brand new boots, they clip on real well. You can go move over to the other snowmobile and repeat the same process. So much better than it was before. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. There's just a quick little install video on some spark plug wire caps. Really easy, simple to do. Takes 3 minutes per one, and good way to freshen up your sled and make sure that the electrical system is functioning as it should. So if you like this video, consider dropping a like, maybe subscribing. Anything's appreciated, and we'll catch you next time.